Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use some formulas and functions to find some information. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this sheet because this is my original information. So I don't want to get confused. That's my original. Then I'm going to copy this information and put it onto a different sheet, onto sheet 2 at the bottom there, so I can start to look at the information and get some answers basically. So it messes it up a bit, you have to do that yourself, put it back on there. The first thing I'm going to find out is males and females, and whether they've got a smartphone or not. So what I need to do for this is I need to sort females and males out and then sort whether they've got a smartphone out. So what I do is I go to data and I go to sort and I say I'm going to sort by male or female, so the females and the males will be sorted, and then I want to sort by is your phone a smartphone, then press OK. Okay, so I've got all the females with not a smartphone, females with, males without and males with. So I've got my information. Now I need to use data and subtotal. Excuse me, I need to be in the spreadsheet. Data and subtotal, and I'm going to use the count function. So I need to go to count, and I'm going to say at each change in your when this data here changes from no to yes, I want it to count. So what's going to count? It's going to count no, 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 and then it's going to go to yes. So it's going to change to count again, then it's going to count again, and then count again. So at each changing is your phone a smartphone, in this column here, if it changes from no to yes, please count it. And this subtotal will be is your phone a smartphone too. Okay, so at each changing is your phone a smartphone, count is your change of a smartphone. That's pretty much what you're saying to the machine, or to the spreadsheet I should say. There you go. So when I've done that, I can say that females without a smartphone is known, females with is yes, males without a smartphone is 4, and males with is 5. So with that information now, down the bottom here, I can put in females with a smartphone, and then in this one I can put equals there to give me the 3, and then I can write out females without, let's double click in there, and so on, and that gives me some information, which is equals 5, okay, and so on and so on, and that is using the subtotal and count function.